The video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of pop-up windows that are coming from the site adcleanerpage.com. Actually, adcleanerpage.com pop-ups try to promote a special extension called AdCleaner. The developers of this extension claim that by installing it you'll be able to surf the web ad-free and safely. AdCleaner, they say, is the best way to get rid of intrusive ads and online tracking, and to protect your computer from malware. So I'm going to install this extension on purpose to check what exactly it does. I'm going to install it, and the point is that the majority of such extensions are actually able to spy on the user's browsing activities. They may instead collect some personal details, and they may also be involved in redirecting your search queries through some other third-party websites. I'm not saying that this extension, whatever it is called, AdCleaner or something like that, the point is that it is spread through integration with some free applications. It's not your decision in many cases to install this extension. Instead, people are quite surprised to notice that AdCleaner extension was added. So it is also considered to be a potentially unwanted application. So I recommend you to treat it with caution. If somehow you have noticed that this AdCleaner extension was installed, I would suggest that you disable the extension and even remove it completely. Once again, how to remove third-party extensions that you don't remember installing personally. Well, go to the menu of your Google Chrome, click on More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions you find here. I've also made the research of this website at cleanerpage.com on Alexa site ranking, and I found out that currently these pop-ups at cleanerpage.com attack the US, Spain, Germany, and of course other countries. It doesn't mean that this website is popular among people. It means that those who distribute these pop-ups invest more money and efforts into promoting this extension. However, as I said, I strongly advise that you get rid of it. If you have noticed that somehow your computer functions in a slow manner, and if you have been recently dealing with some free programs that could be bundled with other potentially unwanted software, I recommend you to scan your Mac computer or your regular computer, your Windows computer with Combo Cleaner. You may go to the official page combocleaner.com, then download the software. After it is successfully downloaded and installed, let it update the antivirus database, and then click on Start Combo Scan in order to initiate the thorough research and investigation of your computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The good thing about Combo Cleaner Antivirus trial mode is that it gives you the complete summary of threats on your Mac, including their exact location. To find out where the threats are located, go to the antivirus section at the end of scan and click on the review results link. So this is the summary of all threats, and as you can clearly see, the program gives you not just the threat name but its particular location on your Mac computer. So you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. This will reveal you the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. So you may do the same thing with each specific threat one at a time. Or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program in order to get rid of all these threats automatically and keep your Mac protected.